Hello guys. A lot of you have been messaging, commenting that you have challenge accessing the files. So I want to just quickly answer every question with this video. So for you to get access to the link where the files are, you go to my profile, my bio. All right. Just after the phone number here, you will see this link, ncouragestudios.disha.page. When you click on that link, it will redirect you to another page. All right. So on this page, all right, you're going to come to where you see the Retouching Challenge 2023. So the moment you click on Retouching Challenge 2023, it's going to bring you to the page where the link of the challenge is. So this is it. So make sure you read all the details before you click get now. Make sure you read all the details to know when you're supposed to submit and all of that. So then you click on get now. All right. So let me remove all these other things. So get now, you're not paying anything. All right, just click on checkout. You have to put your details here. Just put your details and continue. So the moment you do that, it's going to, you know, redirect you to a page where you can just click on download file and you download the file. Then you can also leave a review if you want to. So that's how you access the file. Now when you have downloaded it, some of you have a challenge that it doesn't open up in your Photoshop. What do? Just go to Google and search for update camera raw filter. Update, or you just put update Adobe camera raw filter. So once you click, once you search for this, you see this website called TechSpot. All right, you click on this TechSpot, then you see that they have the Adobe Camera Raw 15.2. So you can either download the one for Windows or the one for Mac, and then it will automatically download. Then you can install it. After you make sure Photoshop is closed, when you install it, then you just drag and drop the image on your Photoshop or open with Photoshop. It will open with that camera raw filter. So the reason why you're having challenge that is not opening for you is because I'm using a Nikon Z5 which was produced, 2020, 2021, or around 2021. All right, 2020, late 2020 and 2021. That's when the camera was made. So any Photoshop or Lightroom or Captureone that is older than 2020 will not be able to access the file. So that's why I say you should update them. So if you are updating this camera raw filter, which is the latest camera raw filter, it can be able to open it, and it's free. Just search for it, download, and that's it. So if you have other questions, please let me know. Then for the last question that people are asking, you know you can post on your story. If you post on your story, just tag me, I will repost on my story. All right, but for you to qualify for the challenge, you need to post as a post on your field, and then on that post make sure you have the two images, you know slide one and slide two. You can put anyone as your favorite, no problem. Put anyone on slide one, put anyone on slide two. Make sure you have that. Then number two, don't put your watermark, and make sure you put the credits. All right, you are the one that retouched it, you can put your credit. Yes, then the photographer, the makeup artist, the model, make sure you put their credit. Then the last thing is that make sure you use the hashtag, else we won't be able to see your image and will not be able to review it. So right now we have two sponsors. We have Excellent Touch and we have Wise Art Photos, and together we have about yeah, that's 70,000 naira we're going to be giving out. So the first four persons are going to get 15,000 naira each, or the equivalent in dollars, or whatever country you're in, we can convert that to that's your currency and pay you. Then the last person, which is the fifth person, is going to get 10,000 naira. So if you have any other question about this challenge, please do let me know. So so far I want to show you guys how many downloads we have so far. So let me just go to my dashboard and show you. Okay, so far we have 718 persons who have downloaded the raw file. So, and out of these 718 persons, you know Instagram, for what I'm seeing online, we have barely 100 and something who have submitted. So please make sure you edit and deliver before the deadline, all right, so that you can be part of the people that will be reviewed for the winners. Then, however, the last thing I want you guys to know is that, just like the way I'll be doing my retouching challenges, you see that um, when I do my retouching challenge, I always make sure I do a live section where we'll do a review of the edits of the winners, and then I make some comments. Then I also share some tips before we close that session. So, you know, it the goal of this retouching challenge is for you to learn. So make sure you are part of that live class, so that you also know whether you're the winner. So it's going to happen on my YouTube channel. So make sure you're following me on YouTube. And so that's it. If you have any other question, please send a DM or comment. I don't know. I may not be able to see every comment, so you can send a DM. I'm sure gonna see it. So thank you, and I hope you win the challenge. So yeah.